Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ri, and today's video is 3 weekly spread ideas for February bullet journals. And if you haven't already seen my big monthly spread video for February, make sure to go back and watch that, and then come back and watch this one because these themes are related to that big monthly spread theme. For this first weekly spread, I'm starting off by drawing 8 boxes and writing the days inside. And I'm keeping it pretty minimal, but I'm drawing some hearts in the center to stay on theme. This next weekly spread, I'm drawing big boxes going across the page for each day of the week, and I'm drawing hearts and writing the dates inside. I think this final weekly spread is definitely my favorite one for February, and this one is just a bunch of separate boxes with rounded corners and a little bit of heart detailing on top. Guys, I hope you liked this quick video on 3 weekly spread ideas for February. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload next. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!